Second attempt for breaking the PSP, I guess. Didn't work last time in our last video, part 1. So we'll try running it over. Hopefully it works. Focus.
First step to this repair is
It's not a repair, Dad.
you want to remove the battery.
Yeah, why?
So
It didn't set on fire?
Hopefully after this we'll have a perfectly good working PSP.
Because it won't read UMDs. Ready? Go forward! Forward! More! Good. Okay. One more time. Okay, now let's look at it. Or one more time. Okay. I think that's good. Now we'll look at it. It survived good. That's why I wanted you to keep doing it. It didn't crack or anything.
As you can see, the PSP is in pretty much the same condition. We have some cracks up here by the top, but all in all, it seems like it's still going to be in working condition. Let's go ahead and put the battery back in.
Okay.
And give it a shot. See if this repair worked.
We'll be right back when we go inside. We're back. We're gonna look at it.
As you can see, we do have some cracks up here. It looks like maybe a little bit of damage, but pretty minimal for what we put it through. Let's go ahead and give it a try, and we'll go ahead and power it on.
Yeah,
the battery
for
case
giant
kind of messed up on when we threw it off the roof, so we'll have to hold it on. Let's see.
Yeah, we had to hold the battery in.
It doesn't seem to be working.
That seems to be lighting a little bit.
Was that lighting up?
Yeah, it was.
Because I'm having to hold the battery in there. I say, why don't we go take it apart and see if we can get to the bottom of why this isn't working.
Okay.
So for our next
pretty
video,
obvious.
for our next video, we're gonna go ahead and open this PSP up and see if there's anything we can do to fix it.
Okay. Peace, and we'll see you in that video.